a little bit. Just about. I'm not kidding. It is. It's going over the bridge. Yeah. Yeah.
Christ.
Yes, it's going over the whole bridge.
I'm trying. It's getting wet.
Get in up to that river. Yeah.
You recording? There's no light. There's like not enough. Jesus Christ. It's gonna be a pool. Oh my. Wow. All that is standing water. Oh my god, dude. Holy, come on, Archie, you can do it. See, there's cars. I got the outfit.
Oh no.
It's getting stuck.
Yeah.
Come on, Archie.
Who's helping me? Duffy.
Alright, he lifted. He's getting up. He's getting out. Look at that tractor. It's gonna be floating. Oh my gosh. Dude.
We need to move to the fire department.
Fire department's not coming. I don't care. We need to go to the side. People can get in and out and stuff. The other side of the park, I don't get over there at all. Is the food done? Is the food done? Yeah. It's been for a while. That was cool. What is he pointing over there? It's really deep right there. It's really deep. You recording? That guy's gonna float. No. There it goes. It's just raining and getting wet. You do 7 points and float. Yeah. Oh, Phil's moving. He's had enough. Is it recording? Yeah. You can make it, Phil. Here comes the help. I'm gonna go to the other side before they tell me I can't. Yeah, probably. Can you record that? Why should you record that part? That's fucking awesome, dude.
You have the camera.
Give it to your mother. Okay, we're going across the... Oh, this is nuts, dude. Oh, God. Dying. Monkey balls. Holy crap!
Walk to my house.
You can go to our house.
That's where we're headed.
Alright.
We got the fire department on the way. I don't know what they're going to be able to do. Jesus Christ.
Good, alright? Cool. Yeah, we'll get the fire department. The entrance to the front's going to be blocked if we don't step any further.
Well, Stagwins are gone, so that's good.
That big... We can't. That's the thing. That's why it's called fire department.
Well, Stagwins are gone, so...
That's my product complainer.
It's fucking raining.
That's the problem.
I'm not the solution guy, I'm the keep you from drowning guy. So this little end part's a little higher.
Yeah, but water's rushing in from up there.
Like that little part's low, that little part's too low, that little everyone won't get to that. Stuff comes up around 3 feet, so it's up pretty top.
Yeah.
What's up to everyone?
Oh, cool.
This should be good. That's right, the river.
Hey, Jeremy. Oh, wow.
Hey Jeremy, are you floating? Is your ship floating?
Up here is pretty high ground, so we should be okay. Our little car's gonna float away.
Holy fuck.
Our bench!